This is Ye from ZZbetter. We are the manufacturer of the Tungsten Carbide composite rods. Our Tungsten Carbide welding rods made from century Tungsten Carbide grades and high-tensity alloy for cutting or weld protection. How to choose the grades of the composite rods depends on different applications. For cutting purpose, Tungsten Carbide hardening-facing welding rods with larger particles are needed. For weld purpose, smaller particles should be the good choice. Okay, let me tell you how to choose the ZZbetter carbide composite rods. Choose the one that is easy to apply. Choose the one with good wear resistance. Choose the one that can improve the productivity. ZZbetter composite rods are the right choice for your tools. Let's see feedback from our clients.
The cemented carbide composite rods used in the past have poor fluidity. It takes a lot of time to weld, and some are easy to fall off. Using ZZbetter cemented carbide welding rods, it is very easy to weld, and the work efficiency is greatly improved.
This junk belt grinds the junk very fast, saving at least 20% of the time. Wow!
The core of the Tungsten Carbide composite rods is crushed carbide grades. ZZbetter only use Tungsten Carbide anvil as the raw material. The crushing and sieving technology improved a lot after 5 years practice, which makes sure our carbide grades more round. Let me show you. This is our composite rods. You can see our carbide grades inside is round. This can make sure the physical performance of our composite rods is stable. Together with the best flux, the fluidity of the rods is increased greatly. We encourage you to test the hardness of our composite rods. The hardness of our composite rods is about 87 HRA, which can prolong the life of the parts and increase the efficiency of your tools. Click the follow button where we'll keep you updated about the hard-facing material. And if you have any comment or question, you can leave your comments here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.